The story of a beautiful girl. Her name was Cinderella. Cinderella led an unhappy life. After her mother died, her father married a widow with 2 daughters. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsister disliked her. They treated her harshly and made her do all the housework while they rested all day. Cinderella's stepmother gave nice things to her own daughters. They got beautiful dresses, shoes, jewelry, and delicious food. But poor Cinderella only got her stepsisters old clothes to wear and crumbs of bread to eat. One day, a messenger came to Cinderella's house with an invitation. A ball was to be held at the king's palace. All the ladies of the kingdom were invited. Cinderella's stepsisters were delighted to hear this. "I will wear my pretty red gown to the ball," said the eldest stepsister. "And I will wear my blue silk gown," said the youngest. "Will you take me to the ball too?" asked Cinderella. The stepsisters started laughing. "Ha! Ha! You want to go to the royal ball? Look at your dirty face and ragged clothes. You will be thrown out of the palace," they teased. "Now go and iron our gowns for the ball." The day of the ball arrived. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters dressed themselves in fancy clothes and left for the palace. Cinderella stood at a window and watched them go. She was so sad that she started crying. Suddenly, the room was filled with a bright light. A fairy appeared in the room. She was Cinderella's fairy godmother. "Why are you crying, my child?" she asked. I want to go to the ball too," sobbed Cinderella. "Do not worry, you shall go to the ball. Bring me a pumpkin, 6 mice and a rat," said the godmother. At once, Cinderella obeyed. Cinderella's godmother touched the pumpkin with her magic wand. Instantly, it changed into a beautiful golden coach. Then, the godmother turned the mice into 6 horses and the rat into a coachman. "Now all you need is a nice dress," said her godmother. She lightly tapped Cinderella with her wand. Immediately, her rags changed into the most beautiful gown she had ever seen. Now, Cinderella looked like a princess. Lastly, the fairy godmother gifted Cinderella a beautiful pair of glass slippers. As Cinderella sat in the coach, her godmother warned her, "Remember, you must return before midnight or the magic will be over." "I will," promised Cinderella. Soon, Cinderella reached the palace. All the people in the ballroom gazed at her. "What a beautiful girl," they whispered. "What a beautiful dress," sighed the stepsisters. The prince too was enchanted by Cinderella's beauty. All evening, he danced only with her. Cinderella did not notice how time passed. Suddenly, as the clock began to strike midnight, Cinderella remembered her godmother's warning. "I must go," cried Cinderella and ran out. "Wait! Tell me your name," cried the prince and ran after her. But Cinderella was gone. Suddenly, the prince saw something glittering on the stairs. It was one of Cinderella's glass slippers. The prince picked it up. The next day, it was announced that the prince would marry the girl whose foot fitted the glass slipper. A minister went from house to house with the glass slipper. When the minister reached Cinderella's house, the 2 stepsisters each tried the slipper, but it did not fit either of them. "It's your turn now," the minister told Cinderella. "She's only the servant girl," protested Cinderella's stepmother. "She must try too," replied the minister. The slipper fitted Cinderella perfectly. Her stepmother and stepsisters were shocked. Just then, the fairy godmother appeared and changed Cinderella into a princess. "She is the princess from the ball," gasped the stepsisters. Cinderella got married to the prince. They lived happily ever after.